the thing you sometimes have to do to get those footages, baby. Woo! Yo, what's up, everybody? How you doing? What's up, tribe? Hope you guys are having a beautiful, badass, awesome day, whatever day it is you guys are tuning in. Let's go, baby. Woo! But today, deer chili, Bigfoot, the man, the myth, the legend. This was supposed to be a live stream. We're gonna go ahead and do a VOD instead. So let's get going. It's raining. We had some winter advisory wind, warning, rain. We've been coming in sideways, so I want to be able to reach out anyway, right? So we're gonna go ahead and just do this as a VOD. We got old Bear. If you guys are new in here, don't be shy to say hi. Don't be shy to smash that like button. Join the tribe by subbing, turn on the notifications. We got Bear over here. If you guys don't know who he is, he will not find himself underneath our little cabin. He won't do it. Our shelter. Why? Because he wants to be by my side. Plus, he's really interested in what the fuck's going on here. So, we're gonna split some wood, get a fire going. I'm gonna show you a little bit of tricks, and yeah, I hope you have a good day. This is not gonna be the best of fires, but I got a couple tricks up my sleeve. So what we're gonna do is deer chili, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and share with Bear, although I probably shouldn't share with him, because if I did, that mother is gonna stink up the sleeping bag. Sure of it. Alright, so the creek is overflowing. Coming in sideways. I got an amazing new wireless mic that we're not going to use because you can't hear the rain on the umbrella behind y'all. I was really looking forward to doing this live. I truly was. I set up all the alerts. I set up everything I needed. I got it all. I just ordered up a modem and everything, and the modem didn't show up. We're gonna have a good time out here anyway, right? We're gonna go ahead and enjoy the Pacific Northwest. Alrighty. We're about 3 minutes in here on this VOD, right? I guess I want to say, what's up, Mother Teresa and Mike? What's good, baby? How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing absolutely amazing. If you guys don't know who that is my brother, mother, and father-in-law. They are absolutely awesome. They've been watching our channel, so shout out to them. Shout out to the tribe, the community, all you guys that are new. Make sure you smash that like button, baby. Oh, Bear. Oh, Bear. He's like, golly, can't we just play fetch or go to bed? I mean... We are out here in a temperate rainforest. We get about 100 inches of rain a year. There is no sunshine in these parts. We got here, guys. We have ourselves. You can see what we got. A lot of wet stuff. Fire log out here. You may call it cheating. You watching, thinking, well, why is he using a fire log? I told you once. I'll tell you more than twice. We live out in a rainforest. We get about 100 inches of rain a year in the middle of a canyon, creek bed. It doesn't see any sunshine. You got to hope for the best and use what you got. What we have here, saturated napkins and oil. This with the lint and that fire log, you better hope you get yourself a fire. We're gonna try that up right here. Okay, we're gonna mix all that up. That'll slow down the burning process. Heat up that oil and allow that to fall down on you. Again, I told you I got that American umbrella. You got to keep your equipment dry. Got a lot of money behind us, and well, that's the way it fucking goes. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, badass motherfucking day. Whatever day it is, you guys are tuning in. We're gonna try to get a fire going here. We'll have to get that umbrella set back up ASAP. I did carry that out. We're about 30 to 40 minutes in this little ravine. And we won't burn this plastic, you know. That will be saved. I try to save those all. Save all those. Okay. It is downpouring. It is nasty out. But we gotta get a fire going so we get the chili in our belly. Old Bigfoot's hungry. Oh, Bear's hungry too, baby. Let's go. Okay. Umbrella. Fire's going, guys. Woo! That fire log paid off. Let that burn up a little bit. We'll get our cast iron out. We'll start prepping our chili. Get that going. Hope you guys are having a beautiful, badass day. If you guys are new in here, what's up? Welcome in. Don't be shy to say hi. We have an absolutely amazing community. We are fixing up some deer chili. We got a fire starting. We are out here in a temperate rainforest, so it's not that easy to get a fire going. That's why I have to use that saturated oil, that napkin. I got to use that fire log. That's just the way it goes. Okay. We got some flames. We're still not out of the woodwork, but we're starting to make a little progress where we can start the cast iron, start getting that chili started up. I'm pretty hungry here, so I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna do this video pretty much straight through, no limited editing. So enjoy, and you do take the rain. That's why we're not using that new mic. Enjoy the rain drop on the umbrella. We do got an umbrella behind us to hold up the rain from hitting the camera. Golly. Yep. There you go. Let's go, baby. Alright guys, just hopefully that will transfer the fire log, will dry it all out. It's going. I really want to get some chili in my belly and get cooking. Let me get my cast iron here somewhere. Where the hell that thing go? But there, I don't know why you're out here, brother, but you gotta get underneath the covers. You lay between my legs, you're gonna be so wet tonight, and you need to get underneath that shelter. So if you guys don't know, this is Bear here. He does need to get under the shelter. He's probably thinking, oh, you know, there's a fire, it's gonna be a little better. But he's been laying underneath there. Looks like he just wants to sit by the fire with me. So, he's a good dog right there, buddy. Yeah, bring that cast iron and go. Very good. We're gonna get a good bed of coals, guys. It is still downpouring. Again, if you guys are new in here, don't be trying to say hi. We have an absolutely amazing community. If you like what we're doing, hang out. If you don't, tune in a little later. We'll probably be doing something completely different. You never know where we're gonna be or what we're gonna be doing when you turn on the 30 show. But always remember one thing. Come in and have a good time. If you're not having a good time, hopefully we can change your mind and make your day better. So again, dear Chili, we were out here having a good time with the BIGFOOT outfit that was supposed to be a live stream, and oh well, whatever. We're gonna make it a VOD. It is downpouring. Probably wouldn't be able to reach out anyway, and my phone would be soaking wet. So we're gonna do the chili. We're gonna get the coals going and cast iron, get that set up, get that on there. We're gonna find the cast iron, whatever the heck it is. You know what's funny is every single time I put him in underneath the cover and I get him all cuddled up in there, he comes right out. So this is Bear. You don't know, he's a good dog. I will probably give him a little chili. I really hope that he doesn't, you know what I mean about chili, right, dog? Chili? Woo-wee! Alrighty, so, man, where is that cast iron? Oh. Get it going, baby! Let's split this up a little more. I want a good bed of coals. I want to get this chili started. I don't want to continue to be out here in the rain and the winds. Could have did it under there, but let's go. So let me ask you guys, if you wanted to see this live, would this be something you want to watch live? If you have not watched the 30 show live episodes, I'm telling you, different than the VOD. I feed off you guys' energy, community. Okay. Get out of here. Okay, what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna find a cast iron. Alright, let that continue doing its thing. I'm gonna cut up that chili. Alrighty then, alrighty. Okay, well here what we have is all the ingredients. Okay, okay. Let's not go there, guys. Okay. What we oh, that smoke. Right there. Ooh. Ooh. Alrighty. See, it's everything. Whew. What we're gonna do, we'll put this side over there, and over there, that's the parsley, and we'll get going. There's a few peppers. We're not gonna get too carried away with those. The reason why, because apparently diced tomatoes with green chilies, they already have that in that can, right? Okay, we'll get our onion here fired up. Deciding what direction I want to go with my onion. We want to have a good bit of onion here. There you go. Get rid of that little bit, and we're in. Again, now the onion. I also have a bag onion in this somewhere there. So I don't want to do too much. We also have some hot heat. Let's add the heat. You definitely want to add the heat. Do a good chili. Okay, I'll go ahead and keep the seeds in that. We'll keep the seeds in there. I found the seeds at what I think. Some of you guys may say it'll make it more bland. That's fine. That's your business. I personally feel the seeds add a little more heat. Holy moly! Woo! Let's go! Hope you guys have an amazing, awesome day, whatever day it is you're tuning in. We got that going on. I don't usually mix this all up. I like to have my onions a little less cooked. I like to have a little more kick to those. I don't like my bell peppers to have a crunch to them. So I should have separated. It's what I usually do is improvise. So we're gonna go like this. Voila. We'll go over here and move that over like this, somehow, some way. Oh yeah, by the tip of the knife. Some of you guys watched the other episode. That broke. It is what it is. Boom, we're in. Okay, going through my inventory, my food, as I stuff that up, and I noticed I don't got any beans. Over. There's no beans. I could do some sort of chili, minus the beans, all that, and all this and this. I'm not gonna do it. What I think I'm gonna do. My dog's getting soaking wet. I think I'm getting soaking wet. We're gonna rock and roll. hopefully tomorrow be able to go live. And if I don't get to go live tomorrow, it's all good and dandy. But I do got the breakfast. I got everything else going for myself. And well, good morning to you. Trying to get a fire started. Get some of that deer burger omelet action going down. Gonna use the fire logs, of course. Like I always say, it's a little easier to get a fire going when you got fire logs and where'd I put those? Wait for it. Now, I'm alone in the woods. I can do this if I want to. All right, no, I don't. Don't have it. Fine. Usually keep maybe it's underneath the deal there, is a little plastic bag full of paper and vegetable oil to help start fire. Okay, Dan. I guess I'll have to make more. You would think it'd be in my trusty fanny pack, BIGFOOT fanny pack. Hey. No. We do have the G.I. Joe that we rescued. We were down there by the creek. It was actually getting water, the life straw. Couldn't show you that. How can you show you BIGFOOT doing that? Okay. Now, we don't have it. Scratch it. We should be alright. But I do have a lighter. In fact, I do have two lighters. One being a Zippo and a normal bit, which we'll run with the normal bit. He's like, hey man, you're invading my territory. Sorry, bear. I'll throw a stick for you. Make up for it. Should be us just fine. All right, bear. Stick. Right here. Come on. This one. That's a good boy. That's a good dog. You see that? That was a good boy. That was a good boy. Oh, I got dogs. I don't have to get carried away with a teepee. Just need enough flames to get my breakfast going. Just enough heat to get them meal deal started. Okay. Now I'm kind of missing the rain. Sort of missing the rain here. The rain was really relaxing. I like it. Gonna go a couple logs. I'm not gonna even get crazy with the teepee. You know me, I usually do a teepee and all that fun business. This is Bigfoot. Sasquatch just gonna slap shit together, light these up, and hope for the best. Come on, Mr. Fire Log. So this is a temperate rainforest. They say also the capital, well, I guess you can argue this, but one of the capitals of the world, I suppose, for Sasquatch and Bigfoot out in Oregon and Washington. And I imagine there's also parts out there in Canada I hear a lot about too, correct? Okay? But we get 100 inches of rain a year. I'd say about 90 to 100 is what they average here. A lot of rain. So it's very much of a difficult process sometimes to see a fire started without using these methods. And luckily for Bigfoot, he hit Walmart on his way in. Actually don't have Walmart. Not here. Not necessarily Fred Meyer's. What we have here. And Bigfoot hit up that Fred Meyer to make his life easy. He likes to eat. Alright guys, hope you guys are having a good day. Whatever day it is you guys are tuning in. You guys are just tuning in on this part, jumped ahead, and you missed a whole bunch of relaxation, cooking. No cooking yet. We attempted to make a meal deal last night. A burger, deer burger, chili, right? That fell through in the account. I had a nice healthy Sasquatch on his way in. He also stopped by the burrito shop too and got himself a nice burrito on his way in. Man, Sasquatch is living good out here. But anyhow, we were gonna fix up that deer chili last night, and we realized we forget something: beans. And you can make chili without beans, most certainly. Or can you? Let me know. Can you do chili without beans, guys? Yeah, buddy. Get these fibers going. Our old boy here was down there in the creek bed, stranded on his little island. You need to warm up. Come on, partner. I'm gonna help you out. There you go. Last night that fell on the ground. We'll just take off the stuff you don't need. We'll put that in the fire. A little burnt smell of onions. You like it. Yeah, we'll just leave that side on. Again, I don't have my dog's head knife I usually keep on me. It is missing. Nephews came over and did what nephews do. Built little things with the knife and carved out stuff and lost them. Again, we save these bags, reuse them. Sasquatch doesn't make a trip to Fred Meyer's too often. If not ever, really, about once a while. Blue moon here, right? Blue moon. It's been a while. So now, we're just a couple days away from Christmas, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome holidays. Sasquatch and, well, I'll probably do a brisket. Oh, you smell them onions. Oh yeah, buddy. Them onions, ooh. They're thick. They're good. Okay, we'll do log. You want log? Here's a log. Bear and I hang out while fire starts and you want to keep your firewood underneath the little shelter we built, which is actually built to be a woodshed for the cabin. That way you can keep dry firewood. And we're gonna come out on a regular, spend some time up here, a day, 3 days, 5 days, sometimes more, and we'll do just this: firewood and a little bit of building, a little bit of cooking, and having fun. Okay, there's a little bit of stuff on this. I want to smolder our fire, not so fast. We only want enough fire to get breakfast done, which is probably an omelet. Haven't yet dedicated an omelet, or just throwing everything in one bowl, mixing it all up, and eating it like a caveman. Feel a little more appropriate being Sasquatch doing this caveman style and some omelet. Bring the stick. Let's go, boy. Come on, buddy. Come hang out with me. Come on, big guy. Yeah, it's like there. That's a big guy. Yeah. You're a good boy. You're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. You smell those? You smelling them onions, huh? Smell them onions. Smells good. Leave it. Leave it. Look. That's a good dog. Don't want to throw it over that ridge. Find it in the water. Don't want him going in the water. That's a good boy. Leave it. Burger 2020. Let's go. What can we do here? Let that burn down a little more. I want the centers to start falling, and then once it does, I'm gonna start heating that cast iron. Let's go. Leave it. Good boy. Just enough to get our breakfast. Just enough to eat and enjoy our meal, and get the fuck out of here. Again, this is supposed to be a live ordeal, and I ordered some modems. You guys probably don't know what the heck that is. Leave it. Anyways, they were supposed to be here the other day, and the other day, and the other day, and then the other day, and the other day. So let's see if they're here today. So we're gonna go check that. And again, it's the holidays, guys. So happy holidays. Christmas is a couple days from now. All right. Boy, this is good. What I'm looking forward to. Right here. Bring that down. Could almost put another stick going across. These are nice wet sticks too. They should stay while I cook. Okay, there. Something like that, right? How's that look, guys? What do you think that'll do? Smolder it? That'll do. Good boy, bear. Alright. I'm gonna drop a little of the oil in here. We got the heat on the cast iron. Lovely. Totally good sound right there, guys. Again, hope you guys are all having an amazing, awesome, beautiful day, whatever day it is. You guys are tuning in on this VOD. If you're new in here, don't be shy to say hi. Smash that like, thumbs up, right? We do a lot of live streaming. We like to have fun and have a good time. Let's go. Let's get Let's get maybe the burger started. What do you guys think? Here, we'll do these. It's a lot of oil. Remember, this will be for Bear and I. Ooh, boy, that smells great. It's kind of Bear's treat when he comes with me. And he's been taking advantage of it back at the house. He'll hang out, thinking that he should be getting a bite. He's like, well, we do it when we're in the woods. Well, what's the difference? Well, you know what the difference is there, Mr. Bear, is the fact Mom ain't here. I think it's appropriate to use, right? I think it's appropriate just in this situation. You know, I'm very caveman-like anyway, natural. So I don't think I'm just doing that because I'm recording. I always like to let you guys know I am a live streamer on another platform. Right? We built an absolutely amazing community. So you guys that are watching the tribe, miss y'all. See you guys on the YouTube or any other place once again eventually. Okay? And they can vouch for how caveman like I am. I've done 30 days alone out in the forest and done island survival. No food, no tent, no water, stuff like that. And I never really put it on the YouTube, so here we are. Those are going to be watching the start of my YouTube career. 6, 7, 8 months. Going to start commenting on VOD and go, wow, 30, you come a long way. Like you did on your other. Right? Can't do it without you guys, so appreciate it. Let's go with the bell peppers. Don't have too many left of those. The ones I had yesterday are actually on the ground over there. After I started getting ready to go to bed, get into my PJs, Bigfoot PJs, I look over and they're flipped over somehow. So I like to take the bell peppers first on there because I don't like them all hard. I like them a little more soft. I like my onions a little more bite to them. So first is the meat, and again, we haven't decided if we want to do an omelet. We'll just go straight with the caveman mush style. I've been very iffy. I think it's like 75, 25 when it comes to making my omelet successful on the flipping spot, especially since I'm using this. I don't know how that's gonna work. Caveman style, I think, is what we're gonna do. Just enough heat to get this meal done. Have a bite to eat on our way out. What do you think, Bear? He goes, you down right? Wish you would have started a little bit ago. A little smoky flavor too. That smoky rising up and over is gonna taste real good. Yes, sir. Come on, buddy. Let's play stick. Fetch. Give me a stick. There you go, boy. We're about 35 so minutes in. And give or take with the creek levels and the amount of debris and stuff that are down in our walkway. I haven't had time to really clear my pathway into this quite yet, so we'll have to do that one of these trips too. A lot of work bringing these lighting is very important to me. I like to have good lighting, and sometimes I'm out here for weeks at a time, so that means I gotta have a way to charge my stuff. I got those nice power banks I gotta bring in. Right, Bear? Huh? Right. Alright, Fire, you got another bit left in this, so don't dull us now. I want to smolder it, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do caveman style on this meal deal. We're gonna mix it all in here. What we'll do. Okay. Maybe we should have did a little more meat. Pretty good. Not too late to add a little more meat, right? Where is it? Maybe a little more. Okay. Put it down by the hotter side. That's a little bit more. He's over there smelling the meat like, yo man, keep going with that meat. Smells good. Okay, guys. Alright, give that a couple minutes here on that, and we'll throw in our mushrooms, start our eggs, get our spinach tossed in there, and then we can grub down. It's smelling great. It smells so good. And again, if you guys are new in here, you'll notice I'm kind of a live streamer at heart. I kind of like to keep it as authentic and as real. Like, yes, I'm wearing a Bigfoot costume, right? You'll get, I'm just being playful. But I try to just run it through, you know? Just as if I was, you guys are seeing and hanging out real time and being right here with us. Not everybody can get out and do this stuff anymore, so I try to give you the real natural flow and experience. Not only that, some of you guys are busy in life, and where I have the ability to still get out here and do this and provide it, and hopefully you like this with me. So that is why I do it the way I do it. Okay, it's smelling great. Mix all that up in here. That's looking good. That's smelling good. Oh, you lost a couple mushrooms. Don't lose mushrooms. It's a sad day. Okay. Get that up towards the top. I want to overcook this to the point. Alright. Spinach will probably go in last. I love spinach, guys. I'll throw a tiny bit more oil. Let that run down. Get these eggs going. A couple of them already busted, it looks like. Fine. We can work with it. Voila. We'll do a 2-egg wonder. 2-egg wonder. There we go. Get that all mixed up. Get that cooking. Figured it'd be more appropriate to do this style versus an omelet, considering we're out here in a big Sasquatch. Sasquatch! I like tomatoes too. We usually throw tomatoes up in this bad boy. Alright guys, that's gonna go good. There you're waiting patiently. That's my dude right there. That's a good dog. He's waiting patiently. Come on, Dad. Let's get it done. We hungry. Plus, I want to play more fetch. You want to play more fetch? You want to get the fuck out of here, don't you? Yeah, you do. You're a good boy. Okay. Come on, buddy. Break down that spinach a little more. And like I said, I like a little texture, but at the same time, you want to see it break down a bit too. It's going to be great. Looks like our fire just lasted long enough to do what I needed it to do. Put it down directly on that heat and let it finish itself out. Well, well, well. Let's go, baby. Woo! Love it out here, guys. It's always a shame when you got to take off. I come out here quite a bit, though. We're always out here. We do a lot of camping. Winter time, it is solo missions usually. Summer, I find myself with the family. We like to get out there with the kids and camp as a family, of course. So, winter is pretty rough where we live. Funny, because usually when I say winter's pretty rough where we live, I always have in the back of my mind all the members of the tribe and the community, right, that get smoked out. They always tell me that they get negative 10, 20, 30 degree weather. They get 15-foot snow, 20 foot more sometimes. And I'm always like, well, you know, you got it pretty bad, but you know, I don't feel the cold weather is for me in the snow. Just enough snow so I can play in it and be good with it. Now, the rain, 90 to 100 inches of rain a year here. A lot of wind. We get upwards of 100 mile per hour wind gusts. Yes, gusts. I do stream in it. I prefer not to be recording and streaming in the forest while we're doing it. Clearly, obvious reasons you'll see throughout the YouTubing. Big trees fall. And it sounds as bad as it sounds. And with that said, hope you guys had an amazing day. Bear and I are gonna chow down. It is that time, the time has come where Bear and I are gonna eat and get the fuck out of here. So, we're gonna get his dog food. Only gonna give him a little bit this time, mixing with that dog grub. Bear. BIGFOOT is alright! That is the thing you sometimes have to do to get those footages, baby! Woo!